Hello, Shalom and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And this is my new series, Word of the Day. Word is Milah, day is Yom, and together, Word of the Day, Milat Hayom. And this lesson is about the word empathy. And in Hebrew, as you can see, it's a loan word. Looks a bit the same. Empatיה, empatיה. And this is how we pronounce it. Empatיה, empatיה, empatיה. If you want to know more about Hebrew alphabet and Niqqud and other stuff, I will put links to those lessons in the description box below. And you can watch my other videos. So until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.